We can get the best indicator of e-waste from looking at the life cycle of electronics. Manufacturers produce electronics which are then distributed and sold worldwide. When someone goes to buy a new cell phone, for instance, their old phone becomes e-waste when it is sent to a landfill, an incinerator, exported, refurbished, or recycled. We can use this life cycle of electronics to create another model to show us how to get to our indicator. If we take the sales data, the data from imports, exports, and manufactured goods, and add in the product data, which is the data compiled of electronics lifespan, materials used in production, etc., we can get the amount of sales and e-waste generated per year and per country. If we then take the amount of e-waste officially collected and recycled, we get our indicator, which is the percentage of e-waste recycled. Using this model, we can see where we stand each year as we try to reach our goal of recycling e-waste. Now we can go ahead and set some targets for us to reach. In our pre-development phase, we plan to increase e-waste recycling to 35% worldwide by 2025. Current e-waste recycling is estimated at 20% worldwide and 25% in the United States. In our takeoff phase, through increased education, recycling service, etc., we will increase worldwide e-waste recycling to 50% by 2030. In our stabilization phase, by 2050, we plan to reach our goal of an 80% recycling rate worldwide.